Hey, do you want to make your UEFN game stand out in discovery? Well, to do so, you need to know these top 10 essential factors to make your game thrive in discovery. But now you're probably wondering, what actually defines these essential factors? So let's go over them. So first, we have innovation and uniqueness. Epic Games prioritizes innovative islands that utilize verse scripting creatively and combine devices to offer unique gameplay. Second, we have player engagement. Epic tracks how long people stay in your map. If your average session is under 2 minutes, that's a red flag. Adding something like mini rewards will make players want to stay longer. The more Epic sees that, the more Epic will promote you on discovery. For example, a map like only a fortnite exploded because it created a goal and emotional investment within 10 seconds. Third, we have player retention. One-time playthroughs don't cut it. You need retention. That means daily rewards, persistent XP systems, or weekly unlocks. If players return 2 to 3 times a week, your map moves higher in suggested rows. For example, a tycoon-style map with daily income boosts gets players logging in every day. Now, let's take a little break. Have you seen our website that has our shop on it? Link in the description. You can find a range of different verse mechanics to help you complete your game. Now let's get back to the video. Fourth, we have thumbnails. Before players even try your game, they judge it in 2 seconds based on the thumbnail. So, low click-through rate will mean less plays and no algorithm push. Using bright colors, a clean font could make your game stand out. For our number 5, we have persistence. So it's basically just saving progress, tracking achievements, saving coins, and all that. For number 6, we have player satisfaction ratings. So, positive feedback boosts visibility. Ensure your game is enjoyable and consider in-game feedback mechanics to gather player opinions. For number 7, we have regular updates. Each time you submit a new version, Epic reevaluates your island. That means it has more chances to be featured. Here's an example. A creator added a new Sky Island area and saw 5x traffic spike the following week after submission. Now for number 8, we have audience targeting. Don't try to please everyone. Fortnite is global. There are players who want to play horror puzzles, rhythm games, and simulators. The algorithm tests your game with different audiences to find the right one. So, target smart, not wide. Now for number 8, we have analytics-driven optimization. UEFN gives you the analytics. Use them. Look at where players quit. Are they stuck, bored, confused? For example, if 80% drop off after a cutscene, it's probably too long. Cut it or add a skip option. Finally, we have viral mechanics. Want to hit trending? You need viral potential. Make your game something players want to share. Weird glitches, speedrun challenges, massive finales. Here's an example. A map where players must escape a giant Thomas the Tank engine. Yeah, that trended for a reason. So, those are the 10 things that actually matter if you want your game to succeed on UEFN. But here's the truth. The discovery system is still evolving. Even Epic themselves admit that they don't fully understand every outcome the algorithm produces. Games with no thumbnails sometimes go viral. Perfectly polished experiences get buried. And while strategy matters, there's always a bit of chaos. The point is, you're not just fighting for clicks. You're building for people. So optimize smart, study your data, but most importantly, make something players want to come back to. UEFN is still wide open, and if you play it right, your game could be the next one that takes off. But hey, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment down below what you think will be the next hit game.